Bankrupt FTX wants to sell $100 million of crypto per week. Should the SEC stop it? A year has passed since FTX failed. Long enough for U.S. prosecutors to get a conviction of Sam Bankman-Fried, its disgraced founder. While that may offer some cold comfort to about 1 million creditors with funds tied up in the company's bankruptcy, what would be better is to get some of their money back. Current FTX leadership under CEO John Ray has recovered more than $7 billion of what was originally a missing $8.7 billion. And the company has sufficient assets to pay customers most of what they are owed. According to Forbes analysis, FTX is sitting on about $2.6 billion of Solana and Bitcoin and another $1.7 billion in other cryptos. In September, the company received judicial approval to start liquidating recovered crypto, and it has transferred $100 million worth of Solana to major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase and Kraken. That kind of transaction is often a sign that a crypto owner is preparing to sell. There is one potential roadblock, and it is a big one. The Securities and Exchange Commission is not fond of cryptocurrency trading as it is currently practiced in the United States. It is suing Binance and Coinbase, claiming they are acting as financial exchanges when they are not licensed to do so and that digital assets they list are unregistered securities. The SEC asserts that the exchanges should fall under its regulatory purview and that most existing cryptocurrencies should be considered unregistered securities. The full article is available here without a subscription. But didn't he spend them all on amphetamines? Wow. They recovered most of the stolen money? This is like Madoff. Great job by the recovery team. Thumbs up. Bankman is going to get hard if FTX starts suppressing the Bitcoin price again. They want to rug pull the market. They recovered that much. Not bad. Well, the concern in the article is not totally wrong, as Binance ad friends might soon come under some serious scrutiny, and the risk of something that might compromise those exchanges might get to the surface, making the liquidation of FTX crypto assets more complex. That said, I imagine that since billions of Sol and or Bitcoin are going to be liquidated, that might be enough to impact the price of those assets as well. Lol, they pumped up the market and now they will suck out all the dumb money again. I guess that's where the crypto for those ETFs will come from. Wait a minute. This is an actual Forbes account on WSB Reddit. How did you convince your boss start posting on here? Must a big regard. Mods ban this guy. The crypto rally over the past year probably helped a bit, otherwise they'd probably be way short. DOJ can give cryptobros their money after I get the $5,000 full tilt poker owes me IMG emote. T52TH52 4260. Dumb article. Everyone can use exchanges, including bankruptcy trustees. They can also sell on-chain at decentralized exchanges without asking for permission. Hang on. They recovered a massive percentage of the money, but the SEC is preventing the money from going back to the people it's owed to? Because that's how I read this. This is the one time my dumbness has saved me. I don't understand crypto and I don't own it and can't lose it. This is known as dumbass luck. Thanks, Obama. If the SEC wants to sue these companies for trading cryptocurrencies because they're unregistered securities, then the SEC needs to officially define cryptocurrencies as securities and demand that they be registered before being traded. Until they do that, they are demanding that the companies themselves adjudicate what is and is not a security. And they have. Block the sell button. I have no idea how trading crypto is fundamentally different than trading baseball cards, backed by nothing other than someone else's desire to purchase it. God, I hope cryptocurrency hits the shitter soon. It's been nothing but a plague upon the earth. Its only upside is that it's like cocaine for stock market gambling addicts. I think this is bullshit. How about they give that crypto back to customers they stole it from? It's not their crypto. They stole it from those people using their platforms, and when they filed bankruptcy they sent out a link saying they were able to recover some of the crypto and offered to give back about 10 that other 90 they kept. It's like a bank taking your $100 out of your bank account without permission and giving you back $10 and keeping the other $90 and then saying, hey, I should be able to use this $90 to pay my bills. Johnny Ray has some great songs, good for him. If everyone is paid back in full, will SBF still be incarcerated? FTX is still the sponsor of a Formula One race car if I'm not mistaken. Would be tragicomedy if SBF sentenced to 100 years but then they recover all the money. No, they should force them to sell it all at one time, and if it goes to zero, so be it. I swear. The top WSB commenters are among the most knowledgeable MFERS out there. Did not expect to see terms like off-ramp to fiat and DEX. Anyway. Would be one heck of a show to witness FTX sex dump their Sol BTC. They better sell that Ponzi nonsense quick before it all goes to zero. Phew, that's a lot of downward pressure. Corn doesn't seem to care though. Why not just deposit the coins back into the accounts that people had? Why do they need to sell it to then give the cash equivalent of what people already owned? They can sell it to me. Otherwise the SEC should stop it. Tongue out. Dump all over me, sir. Why not just set up a system to send users their crypto back and let them decide how to proceed? In September, the company received judicial approval to start liquidating recovered crypto, and it has transferred $100 million worth of Solana to major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase and Kraken. That kind of transaction is often a sign that a crypto owner is preparing to sell. Did the author not proofread, or is this just ChatGPT stuff? Yep, and pay the people back their money. Someone please tell me what securities act like cryptocurrencies. If they hate money, sure. Lol, they can give the cryptos back directly without selling any. How about the rest of us that didn't have anything in FTX but we still got FKD anyway? So they have 7B 2.6B 1.7B? That'd take over 2 years to sell it all at 100 meters per week. Wild. SEC won't stop at LMAO. Gensler hates crypto and would love to see the sell-off. In September, the company received judicial approval to start liquidating recovered crypto, and it has transferred $100 million worth of Solana to major exchanges such as Binance, Coinbase and Kraken. That kind of transaction is often a sign that a crypto owner is preparing to sell. So that is why Solana is pumping 25 today. Jeff SEC who? This is a poster for why crypto might end up being great traceable, recoverable chains. Wow. Why would they give back money? Give back the coins. If this is true, then they need to let Sam out of prison. Maybe they should go after the parents' new estate in the Bahamas and claw back any political donations. I'll buy, for $350. Would love to see a sale on Solana right now. When all these people burned by crypto start to cash out, won't that crash Bitcoin? IMG emote T52TH52 4271